First, we need to create a new virtual machine. After that, we need to click the Custom Advanced. Then we get to choose which hardware compatibility are we going to use. After that, we'll get to choose which operating system are we going to install, and we will choose the I will install it later. Then, we will select a guest operating system, but for today, we will choose a Microsoft Windows. After we chose which operating system are we going to use, then we will name it. After that, we will specify the number of processors for the virtual machine that we've created. Then we will specify the amount of memory allocated to the virtual machine. The memory size must be a multiple of 4 MB. Then we will choose the network type that we're going to use, but I recommend to click the Use Network Address Translation because in this way, it gives the guest operating system access to the host. Then we will select the I/O controller types, but we will choose the recommended LSI Logic SAS. Moreover, we will select a disk type and we will choose SCSI, which is a Small Computer System Interface, a set of standards for connecting and transferring data between computers and peripheral devices. Then we will choose which disk are we going to use, but we will create a new virtual disk that is composed of one or more files in the host file. After that, we will specify our disk capacity and we will maximum it to 60 gigabytes. And then we will specify our disk file, but for today, we will specify it as Windows 7. And lastly, after all of that, we are ready to create our virtual machine, and let's click the Finish. After we click the Finish, we are going to click our virtual machine settings and we will use the ISO image file and browse. After that, we are ready. After that, we are going to select our keyboard and input methods and we will choose the United States International. Then, we are ready to install it. After that, we are going to select the operating system that we want to install and we will choose the Windows 7 Professional. Then we just need to agree and choose Custom. Then we will click the drive options and click new to create new space. We will put 40,000 MB at first, then apply. Then we will click the unallocated space to create another space. But this time, it's just 20,000 MB. Then we will click the partition tree with 19.5 gigabytes to format it. We can skip this part for the meantime. Then we will click the Use Recommended Settings. Then click Public Network. And we're done.